206.
My lord, in TATE 2014 candidate, I was successful. I was shown a successful candidate, and I participated in 2016, 2020, and subsequently in 2023. In by notification dated 11th November 2022, primary board published page 29. Primary board published that I have qualified and I have the marks, but by mistake I was stated as in exempted category. I was never applied with an exempted category, and
So you found to be eligible on the exempted category. If you are not an exempted category in general category, you may not be.
I'm a general candidate, but I have not applied with exempted category, but I was shown in the no.
Eligible under the exempted category.
But I am not exempted category.
No, you are not. But if it is in the general category, you may not be qualified.
I may not be, but I could participate in 2016 and 2020 recruitment process. Without qualified, I could not participate. I was shown successful and qualified in TATE 2014, and therefore I could participate in 2016 and 2020 recruitment process. And further, when the notice published in 11th November 2022, page 29, I was shown as successful, but by mistake, exempted category was there. Now, in page 34, now in page 34,
Why are you waiting for interview?
interview is, I have given interview. I was called for interview.
On the basis of which petitioner, your prayer A, please, your prayer A. You had participated in the interview or you want to participate? What do you want?
Prayer A TATE certificate. I have not received TATE certificate yet.
You want?
I want TATE certificate,
Then
and also that when I was called in 2024 for interview, in kindly see this page 34, second from the last, beside my name, only general is there, no exempted category written.
but you are not exempted.
I am not exempted. But when I went to the interview, I was said that produce your exempted category candidate because you have got 87 marks, which is not a qualifying marks for a general candidate. So on the basis of exempted category, you were successful.
You were
But
called for interview.
yes,
But they did not allow you to participate in the interview since you could not.
since I could not, because I was not an exempted category candidate.
Then-
And then I was rejected on that
Now you
basis.
want that it should be. What is the wrong in it, such decision?
Because I am not exempted category candidate.
No, you are not exempted. They
And on that basis I was rejected, but in the meantime from very beginning I was shown successful on, and I did not get, and I subsequently participated in all the processes 2016, 2020, 2022.
what vested right that has been created to you. The wrong of the board is to identify you as an exempted category candidate
Yes,
and
ma'am.
to call you in the interview. That mistake they have done. They should not have called you.
I
Now-
should have been called. Maybe maybe they are saying that I have got the wrong marks. Maybe I have got 90 and they are saying that I have got 87.
Why 90? Why are you stopping in 90? Why not full marks?
My lord,
Why are you asking for the result only? Ask for the appointment directly.
I have asked for that also.
And back salary from 2016. Who else?
Kindly, my lord, this was
As I understand from her, the petitioner was qualified in TET 14. Now, he participated in 2016 selection process. Let us go one by one. 2016 selection process, he was found to be eligible, or his name was featuring in the panel as exempted category candidate.
No.
What is this? What is the case about?
not in the panel. In the qualified candidates list.
My lord, I tell your lordship, my lord, what I understand, my lord, because so many prayers and my lord, 2014 2014 TET, she was shown successful. She appeared 2016 selection process, become unsuccessful. She appeared 2020 selection process, she became unsuccessful. Again, she appeared 2022 selection process, where it was found, my lord, the election committee found that in the TET, she secured 87 out of 150. The general, my lord, the pass marks of the TET for the general 90. And if he is otherwise, my lord, OBC, SC, or the exempted category, he or she gets 5% relaxation. It comes to now 82. So it was considered that she may be a exempted category candidate. That is why she qualified having 87 marks. So therefore, the selection committee asked her to produce the exempted category certificate. She could not produce the exempted category certificate. Therefore, the selection committee considered her as general category candidate. And as when she was considered as general category candidate, she became ineligible because general category TET pass qualifying marks is 90. She got 87. So she is not eligible. Now your lordship may ask that it may be the wrong what was just now fallen from your lordship. It may be a fault of the board that she was allowed to participate in 2016 and 2020. Why? But I tell your lordship, my lord, it is even not all the fault of the board. In the Weimar sheet, when the Weimar sheet was given for examination in the, my lord, the examination hall, there was a column general, OBC, SC,
He might have
exempted. Your lordship, he has definitely, because everything was done by the computer, there is no manual intervention. Since he has
But that
given option,
could not prevent the mischiefs.
that is my lord, other part. My lord, she might have given exempted
In
category.
any event, she has been treated as an exempted category candidate
And
and been
qualified.
declared TET qualified.
Qualified.
But consequent upon her participation on the other selection test, when it was detected that she is actually or he has not been actually TT qualified,
My lord.
then he has been treated as a ineligible candidate.
Absolutely, my lord.
So 2016, now he has been so declared. Now TET pass certificate is with her.
No, cannot.
I have mailed many times that I have
That is why she is not ready.
I saw my I have seen my that it is showing successful, but when I want to download the
Treating you as
exempted.
exempted.
Malad, he was shown successful considering his or her candidature.
I have never applied as exempted. I have never as applied. In admit card also my jail.
Because Malad,
Actually, what you are submitting, it must come on record. What you have submitted.
Now, 2016 records is very difficult.
No record. You file. This is a situation.
I will
File a report.
A short report.
So that cost may be imposed upon her. Ashun. Now, rejection was on the basis of that you are not a TET qualified.
Exempted category candidate. I was not an exempted category. I could not produce my exempted category certificate.
Where is the rejection?
No, there cannot be rejection.
I am a DLED candidate.
No, you're DLED.
No, he was not empaneled, therefore his candidature, my lord, he was unsuccessful. And my lord, she got her answer. See, no, he got her answer, my lord.
Last page.
My
I
lord.
am T21 roll number is I cannot download my TET pass certificate.
Naturally.
All naturally. Ashun. The petitioner had participated in TET 2014. You first published a list of successful candidates.
In
TET
11th November 2022.
But when result was declared, then everybody individually came to learn or know their result, whether he or she was qualified or not.
There
This
was
was
a
the system.
But he was shown to be qualified.
My lord, because this was published by the NIC.
You know, and was declared qualified as an exempted, as a candidate under the exempted category. Stop. The petitioner had participated in the selection process for recruitment of assistant teachers in primary schools conducted by West Bengal Board of Primary Education in the year 2016, 2022 and in 2022.
2020 and 2022. 2016, 20 and 2022.
Times.
Yes.
2016, 2020 and 2022. But was unsuccessful on was his candidature in all the selection process. Candidature was rejected on the ground he is TET qualified. But you did not respond at that
My
point.
lord, I was called for the interview and I was asked to produce all my documents. Then also I was allowed.
Huh?
Then I was allowed subsequently in 2016, in 2020.
Never, my lord, empaneled.
No, Mr. Biswas.
Empanelment.
In 2016, you appeared before the interview board. You were allowed,
Yeah.
right?
I submitted all my documents.
Documents. No objection was taken.
No.
That we do not know, my lord.
Let us
In
understand.
2020, I was called again.
Let us
In
understand.
2020, I was allowed again.
2016 result published, you are unsuccessful, right?
There was, yes.
Right? But you did not respond.
Never.
I did not.
2020, you approach again. Again, you were asked to appear.
I was
Again
allowed.
rejected.
I was allowed for the interview.
But ultimately you
My
were
lord,
not
those
found.
who had applied for, everybody was allowed in the interview. Because
Even-
in the, my lord, application.
Even after
Let me
2016,
understand. 2016 eligible candidate list panel, you did not, your name was not featured.
no,
You did not do
I was not
anything.
empaneled.
You did not do anything. Instead, you participated in 2020.
Yeah.
Same thing recur again. Happened again. You did not
With
do
the
anything.
same date qualification
Very
record.
well, but you did not do anything. Why you are not giving me appointment? This question you never raised then. Then again,
My lord.
2022.
My lord, I had opportunity. I was waiting for another opportunity, and then
wait for
after
another opportunity.
yes.
But before that, get your TET qualification. I want to hear you want to get a report so that the appropriately it can be dealt with. Because you are not the alone. This kind of petitioners are numerous. Let's say. But was unsuccessful in all the selection tests. But his name was not impaneled, not impaneled.
Not
in
empaneled.
all the stop. So you are saying when I was allowed to participate as general candidate, I should be given appointment.
Yes, as general candidate, I should be. My lord, in November 2022, I came to know the problem. When by mistake,
Mr. Vishwas, learned advocate for the board submits that the petitioner is not a TET qualified candidate. When a petitioner was not qualified in TET 2014, as such, his candidature cannot be considered. The updated report be filed with the board on the issue next date of this.
My lord, report by 2
December.
weeks.
December. I understand your analogy. Since you have declared me a TET qualified candidate, my candidature cannot be rejected for want of
Many
valid TET certificate.
many candidates have been appointed with
Without
all
TET.
this, with all such.
Are you admitting their pass mark is 90? 90.
Yes, I am admitting that.
You have not scored 90.
How
Are
could
you
I know?
admitting-
How could I know? At that point of time,
No.
I did not
Today-
know.
Today you know that?
My lord, he will accept one documents of the board, but other documents he will deny.
No.
He will not
Tell
accept.
me, today you are admitting that you did not have the requisite.
I do not have the OMR sheet also with me. I am not provided with an OMR sheet. So I do not know my score.
Don't give state answer.
I do not know my score yet.
You do not know your score yet.
Board has
Board
published.
with exempted category saying
Tell me what is your score today?
87
87
Yes.
general category.
Yes.
Are you
with
qualified?
exempted categories.
No,
decided.
tell me. Yeah, you have not applied under exempted category.
No,
Today you are admitting that you have got scored to 87. Is it the pass mark of TET? Is it?
no.
Then your analogy is, since once I was declared qualified, my candidature cannot be rejected on the ground that I don't have the requisite.
I was allowed for every recruitment process.
That is the wrong, and that is the wrong that was
No, my lord,
inherited from there.
I tell your lordship.
File a report so that you can give my handle to put some cost on this kind of petitioners. Next one.
Quarter 7.